as you complete your test, how do you respond? Ma'am, I have done my test. Or, ma'am, I have completed my test. Which tense is this? This is present perfect tense. Namaste children, this is Manisha Sehgal from the Department of English and I am back with my series of tenses. And in this video, I am going to teach you present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. So let's get started. First of all, let me talk about present perfect tense. What is the rule of present perfect tense? Subject plus has and have, either has or have, plus past participle, or we can say V3, third form of the verb. There are three forms: present, past and participle. For example, go, went, gone. So gone is past participle, third form of the verb. So what is the rule of perfect tense, present perfect? Well, what do I say? I say that has, have, had are perfect tenses. Which are perfect tenses? Has, have, had. In present perfect, we have has, have, and in past perfect, we have had. Fine. So the rule of present perfect tense: has, have plus past participle, or we can say has, have plus third form of the verb. Negative. I have already taught you how to frame negative sentences. We add not after helping verb. Helping verbs like is, am, are, was, were, has, have. Fine. So here, how we will frame negative sentence? Subject plus has, have. This is helping verb plus not plus past participle. For example, I have not taken my lunch. Next, interrogative. Children, you need to keep in mind one thing. Whenever we frame negative sentences, we add not after helping verb. And whenever we frame interrogative sentences, we always start with helping verb and then subject. So helping verb, subject, and then rest of the rule. So it will be has, have plus subject plus past participle, object and interrogation mark. Have I taken my lunch? Have, I is subject and taken third form. Have I taken my lunch? Fine. Now use. It expresses actions which have just ended. I have done my work. You have just completed your work. A very serious accident has just taken place in front of our house. We often use words like just, already, recently with the present perfect tense if the action has just ended. I hope it is clear till now. Now let me start with present perfect continuous tense. What is the rule of present perfect continuous tense? Subject plus has, had plus be plus verb in ing form. Whenever we use the word continuous, always verb in ing form is used. For example, present continuous is mr plus verb in ing form. Past continuous was were plus verb in ing form. So whenever we use continuous tense, verb is in ing form. Rule. The present perfect continuous tense is used to express an action that began in the past and has been in progress till the time of speaking. So, we use present perfect continuous tense to express action which started in the past and is being progressed till the time of speaking. For example, I have been waiting for the bus since 7 o'clock. Can you notice the use of since? So it means that I started waiting at 7 o'clock. The action started in the past and has been in progress till the time of speaking. I started waiting at 7 o'clock and I am still waiting. I have been waiting for the bus since 7 o'clock. It has been raining for 2 hours. Negative. It has not been raining all day. We will add not after the helping verb. Interrogative. Has it been raining all day? Make sure you put question mark. Next, as you noticed that we use since or for in present perfect continuous tense. So now I will tell you what is the difference between since and for. When to use since and when to use for. Since. Since suggests the time at which an action started. For example, I have been teaching since 9 a.m. So, since suggests the time at which an action started. At what time the action started? At 9 a.m. And do I know the duration? No. Now let me talk about for. For suggests the duration of the action. For example, I have been teaching for 2 hours. So how long did I teach? For 2 hours. Fine. So if I talk about the first sentence, I have been teaching since 9 a.m. We don't know the duration of the time, but we know that the action started at 9 a.m. I hope the difference is clear between since and for.